started working with the Symmons systems at two of my properties. The system there at that location helped us see that there was irregularities with the water and helped us make the corrections that we would have normally not seen in a day-to-day operations.
My life with plumbing is used to be a constant soundtrack of drips, gurgles, and unsettling sounds of leak. And then a friend in the industry introduced me to Symmons, and then we put a flow sensor, leak sensor, and a temperature sensor, and let me tell you, it was a game changer.
After installing the evolution system, we were able to determine what valves were the problem and what mechanical issues we had in the building. We were able to resolve those issues, and the domestic hot water is now working perfectly for our guests.